everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I've got another really fun planner haul featuring some of my favorite shops of all time, so let's get started. So let's start off with Simply Gilded. I did place 3 orders during the recent collab sale, hoping to be one of the lucky few to get the Go Wild Simply Gilded washi. I missed out on that, but I was one of the first 100 orders on one of these and got this Chrissy Ann Designs collab sheet, which has some really cute Simply Gilded stickers on there. And then these were the 3 freebie bow stickers I got. And I picked up, I believe this is the Whisper collection of bow sticker seals. And I got the new turquoise florals, the black with pink foiling, and I was able to grab the restock of the Patriotic set, which is great. You know, I missed it this past Independence Day, but now I'll have it for next year. This is just such a pretty collection. Next up, I have a small pin order from Villa Beautiful. I picked up both of these pins from the Enchanted Ocean collection. Their names are Lagoon and Mermazing, and they both have such a pretty crystal mix. They both came with the gel refills, and I have a code down in the description below where you can save 10% on your Villa Beautiful pin purchase. Next up, I have a clip order from Pigtails Pockets. So first I'll show off the 2 extras that she was so sweet to include with my order. We've got a little pizza heart and an avocado with a cat face. That one really cracks me up. I mean, she has the best and cutest little felt paper clips you can find in the planner community. I love them. They're so adorable and well made. In the first part of my order is this really sparkly coffee mug that's got Harry Potter emblem on the front, and the only thing that would make this more perfect is if it came in pink as well. Can we make that happen, Rachel? Can I get a pink sparkly Harry Potter clip? How cute would that be with the Secret Sorority My Newest Addiction kit? And these 2, which have probably taken over the spot of my favorite clips ever. I cannot get over that sparkle and how cute the lashes are, and they are totally perfect for this nap queen. Rachel, you really outdid yourself with these. I love them. Next up is Grumpy Bear Sticker Co. I have a couple of orders here, so I got a few different freebies and samplers. This is one you get if you use my code that's listed down in the description below. And she always sends me a few of those. Might have to stock up on some of these samplers to hand out at Winter Planner Land. That'd be cute now that I'm getting quite a few of them. And these were recent releases. They're inspired by the Villa Beautiful pins, which of course meant I had to have these in my collection. I got both the bright and the neutral versions of this sheet. And then these are the 2 larger sticker samplers. I also picked up the Autumn Pocket collection, so I thought I would flip through everything that you get with that. These are the die cuts that are included with it, so you get some really cute fall themed things in there. I love this backpack illustration, and I love that she just customizes it for all of the different color collections and seasons. It's one of my favorite items in her shop. And Grumpy Bear and a sparkly pumpkin. And then this is the pocket you get, and it is packed full of stickers. You can like stick some glue or some tape on the back of here, slap it on a dashboard. You could tuck it into a pocket. Perfect to carry around for on-the-go planning. We will flip through all the stickers you get with that. So we have the coffee cups and pumpkin spice lattes. Grumpy Bear and Jez with their leaves and coffees. We've got some boxes and pins, and how cute is that pumpkin pin cup? I think that is so adorable. Then you've got your boots, bows, and backpacks. Book stacks, floral arrangements, and the candles, which reminds me I need to go to Bath & Body Works and stock up on those amazing fall scents. And then finally this sheet of the notepads and bucket lists. Then I have a small order from My Newest Addiction. These match the Harry Potter kits that she released recently, so I got the foiled headers and the foiled overlays to match the Gryffindor kit. And of course the pink hollow to match the Secret Sorority kit. Next up, I have an order from Co XOXO, and I feel really bad because she packaged this so gorgeously, and I tried to recreate it, and it just did not work out for me at all. So this was something that she released recently, and it is a really gorgeous washi tape and has like gold foiled flakes in it with pink watercolor ombre kind of pattern. So pretty. Let me show you. Okay, so there is a better look at it rolled out. It's just so gorgeous. I can already imagine all of the layouts that I will be using this for. I mean, it's so pretty. I should have gotten some backups now that I think about it. Definitely should have gotten some backups because it is a little bit smaller than I was imagining. I'm terrible about reading the size descriptions on things. You know, I just see something that I want and go ahead and order. But yeah, the next time she restocks this, gonna have to pick up a few extras. And she also included this really precious bow with my order. And I love the soft pink. It's going to match that tape perfectly. Thank you so much for this. It's really cute. Next up, I have my first kit from Sadies Stickers. It is a foiled kit, and I will do a quick flip through. I can't remember if this was included with the kit or if this came as just a freebie extra, but it is some really, really pretty foiled bow headers. And then this is the Hello Gorgeous kit. It has gold foiling on it, and I'll try to show off all of those details because it's got some really pretty details in there, like that coffee art and the little paper clips up there. So pretty. This, I am a sucker for this, for all of the really cozy elements, a stack of books, the candles, sweaters, and blankets. That has me written all over it. I can't wait to use this for fall and winter. Then we have the half boxes, quarter boxes, checklist, trackers, and then some headers, so more of that chunky blanket pattern, checklist with the bows, and some different icons. And then the last page are the date covers and the washi, and those are foiled as well. You got some pretty foiled headers at the top too. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I will be buying from Sadies Stickers again. Cannot wait to lay this out. Next up, I have a kit from Pink Sunshine Designs. This is actually something that I won as a giveaway on her page. So here is the kit and the full boxes. I'll flip through these. I love the shade of pink that she used, and the mix of the pink and the neutrals is just so pretty. Plus, anything with an office design or an office supply design is going to get me. I'm a sucker for that as well. I just love these colors. Plus the floral accents that she used, so pretty. Different headers, and then the washi and date covers. Alright, here is the freebie sampler I got from using my girl Malika's code. That is Malika10, so be sure to jot that one down for your next purchase. And this is the freebie journaling card that came with my order, and a big reason that I ordered when I did, because I saw this on Malika's Insta stories and had to have it, didn't want to miss out and take the chance of a different design being out, but wanted this one for sure. And for my order, I grabbed this I'm a Cool Mom die cut, and it's a really thick quality cardstock. And then I just got a really small order, trying to be more mindful about my purchases and spending, but I did pick up these new releases, it's a little bit ironic, sorry, boxes. I love her style of boxes, and there's just plenty of room to write the shop name on there. Great way to keep track of those. And then I picked up this sheet of foil quote overlays, and I got gold foil, but she has a few different options available on her site, and these are all Mean Girls inspired. And another delivery that just came in today is my order from Fox and Pip and her new releases. And in addition to the regular freebie sampler, she was running a promo during the new releases that every 5 sheets you ordered got you another foiled bow seal. And I picked up 2 versions of the Footnotes die cut set. So I got this one that has the pink socks with a little bow. And then this one that has just the eyelashes. In my sticker order, I got the Out and About. I loved the different options that she provided on this as a mixed sheet instead of just having one sheet of the same design. And the Magic Footnotes for the Gryffindor house. The new Sparkle Polish, Sit and Relax, oh, another sheet of the Out and About, Heart Banners, a couple sheets of the Footnotes, and this is another one of those mixed sheets where you get lots of different designs on there. Fall is in the Air, and I got mine with the glasses, but she did have an option for no glasses on there. And then I got 2 of those actually. And then I picked up the Enchanted Night collaboration that matches the kit from Two Little Bees. I got the entire set. You could buy these a la carte, but you saved a little bit by getting all 4. And I mean, I was going to get all 4 anyway, so that was just an added bonus. And I got the Netflix and chill sheet with no cat. I believe she had 2 cat options. I'm going to hold out for a dog option, but those are perfect for now. I got the bow banner, the girl with the bow backpack, the bow backpacks by themselves, and then 2 sheets of the newly formatted Boo Laundries. Okay, and this isn't really planner related, but I did ask for recommendations on my Instagram stories, so kinda. This is a new phone case that I got. I was really obsessed with the marble and the foiling on it. Quite a few people recommended it to me. I was kind of hesitant because I haven't shopped with Velvet Caviar before, but it does feel really nice, like it will be sturdy, and it's got this really soft insert on the inside, so I'm excited to put this on my phone and have it looking pretty again because my old phone case is totally busted. And finally, I have this giveaway that I won from Studio L2E. I did show this on my Instagram story, so you may have already seen this, but I wanted to share on here as well because everything is so pretty, and she was just so generous to include all of these Harry Potter inspired goodies, so I will just flip through those. So we have the map here, and it fully opens up. I mean, how cool is this? This is just the neatest little package I've ever gotten. Then a Quidditch program, platform 9 3/4. Got a night bus ticket, a map of Diagon Alley, or Diagon Alley as Harry Potter says, of course. We've got 5 galleons, a little copy of the Quibbler, and I mean, it's all filled out. This isn't nonsense. This stuff is legit. Some tickets to the Quidditch World Cup, a book of spells, again, totally legit. This stuff is all filled out. I mean, how neat is this? This is seriously so cool. I can't get over it. Another night bus ticket. Plus 2 enamel pins of the Deathly Hallows and a Howler letter. I mean, this is just amazing. I love the intricate art that's on there. Can you guys see that? So pretty. The pouch itself is a work of art too. I mean, look at this little wand detail and all of the different illustrations. So cute. And she included a few things from her shop as well, so you can actually find these on her website. This is a really cool vellum pocket, which is decorated as a Harry Potter planner. I have been ogling these ever since she first showed them on her Instagram and Facebook group, so really so thankful to have this. I love it so much. And then she included 2 sizes of her Accio washi cards. I mean, I've got to fill these up with my Harry Potter washi immediately. And then I'll flip through these different die cuts that she sent. Got some time turners, snitch, every day I'm muggling. And then we've got a stack of letters, Spectre Specs, Harry Potter coffee, or Deathly Hallows coffee, sorry, and then another snitch. And this incredibly ginormous stack of stickers. So she sent me stuff for every single house. I mean, we've got the Hufflepuffs, Slytherin, and you can find all of this in her shop. That's www.studiol2e.com, and I will link that in the description below too. We've got Ravenclaw, so I am set for just about any kind of Harry Potter layout you can imagine. And then finally, Gryffindor. And I believe she has these available as stamps too if you're a stamper. I wish I was a stamper because they are so versatile and obviously reusable, but I'm more of a sticker girl myself, so. Oh, and these are just the regular version. They don't have any color. I guess you could color them in yourself if you wanted to. It's a couple of really cute full boxes. Focus. There we go. And this is the last one. It's just so much awesomeness included in one package. Thank you so much. And that does it for this haul. I've been in kind of a weird planner funk lately where I feel like I've been bag planning more than actual functional planning. So I'm hoping that using up all of these pretty planner pieces, playing with those, and shopping my stash during this no spend I'm attempting will help me to correct that and get back on track. But anyways, I hope that you all enjoyed watching this haul. Don't forget to check out the description below where you can find links to all of these shops as well as all of my discount codes. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Bye!